Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do the third module of Microsoft Access. The title of this assignment is Ridgedale College. It is the Access Module 3 SAM Project 1B, creating queries, sorting records, changing the appearance of the datasheet. If you want me to do this assignment for you, just feel free to text me on the WhatsApp. You just need to send me the files over the WhatsApp or over the email, so I will complete that assignment and send it back to you. Then you can just submit it and get it graded. It's a very economical service in terms of price, so you can text me round the clock. Okay, so let's get started with the first step, that is you are a graduate teaching assistant for Ridgedale College, a private college in Midwest. To help the college better manage their course scheduling, you have created an access database and working on queries to help make reliable decisions. Okay, this is a role that we have been assigned right there. Let me zoom it for you. Create a query based on the professor and grants table in design view with the following options. Okay, so we have to create a query in design view. Okay, so for that we need to go to the create tab, and here in the design you will click the query design. Now we'll add the first name and last name from the professor table. Here you can see all the tables listed there, and you will drag this table right there. So all the content of the professor table is shown, and now you will select first name and last name from professor table. So just double click this one, first name, and double click this one. Now you see both both the values are there in the design grid, first name and last name. And now it says the grant average and the awarded average award from the grants table, grant name and average reward from the grants table. This is the grants table. Double click the grant name and award, average award. That's it. Now it says sort the records in ascending order by professor last name. Look for the professor last name is this one and click ascending. Save the query using professor grants as a query name. So I would like to copy this and right click there and save it. That's it. So moving to the next step, that is, okay, now it says open the query in datasheet view to selected data and close it. So open the datasheet view. You can see the professor first name, last name, grant name, and awarded. That's it. Save it and close it. Okay, moving to step number 2, that is open the professor assignment query in design view. So we have to navigate to the query of professor assignment query, hopefully this one, in design view, and make the following changes to the query. Delete the time field from the query grid. So here you will find the time grid, this one. Just uncheck it, will show, not show it, but click here and press the delete button on the keyboard. That's it. Next is add a criteria to select only those records where the class number field value equals, okay, this one. So navigate to the class number. This is the class number, and it should be this one. Save the changes to the query, open in datasheet view, and then close it. Save it, open it in datasheet view. Now you see the class number is the same, okay, and close it. That's it. So we are done with this step. Also moving to step number 3, that is open the Monday or 4 query in design view. Monday or 4 query in design view, and add criteria to select only those records where the credit field equals 4 or okay. So we have to add a criteria to this query, and this criteria should be OR criteria, okay, to select only those records where the credit fields equals 4. The credit field is this one. This is the credit field. If that is equals 4, or the meeting field values equals M. The meeting day, I hope. Yeah, meeting day equals M. Okay, that's it. Save those changes in the query, open it. Okay, sorry, it should be placed on the OR ones, because you can see the OR function. So whenever you find this OR, it means it should be placed on the OR row. This is the OR row, okay, so you should place M right there. Now open the query in datasheet view, and you can see you will have 26 records in datasheet view. Now you see we have 26 records right there. Just save it and then close it also. So moving to step number 4, that is open the department offering query in design view. Department offering query in design view, and make the following changes to the query. Add the delivery method field to the section table of the query grid. Delivery method field should be here to the section. Yeah, this one. This should be added. Delivery method should be added. Yeah, this is the delivery method. From the section, it should be added to this grid. So just double click it. Now you see delivery method is there. Immediately after the descriptions. Okay. So now we have to drag it. First of all, select it and drag it right there. So it is rightly placed after the description, because as per the criteria, you can see that immediately after the description field it should be added. So here is the description field, here is the delivery method. I hope you got it. Add a criteria to select only those records where the credit field value is less than or equal to 3. So this is the credit field value. Here we have to apply a criteria less than or equal to 3. So it will show up only those records where the credits are less than or equal to 3. Open the query in datasheet view and sort the records in by description in ascending order. So open it in datasheet view, and in description it should be as ascending order. Okay, now it says added the first record, changing the description value to accounting for this. So first value, first is this one. You should change that description of this one. Save and close the department table. Save and close it. That's it. Okay, it should match this one. Okay, so just have a look. You can see it has total 45 records. We also have 45, and all those credits you can see those are equal or less than 3. Okay, open the hybrid, moving to step number 5, that is open the hybrid query in design view. Hybrid query in design view, and move the credits fields to the first column of the grid. So the credit field should be the first column, so just select it and drag it right there. Sort the records in ascending or descending order by credit fields. So this is the credit field sorted by descending, and in ascending order by class number. So this is the class number, this should be ascending. And save the query, open the datasheet view. Okay, save it, open it in datasheet view. It has total of 8 records, all of those are hybrid at most. Yeah, you can see we have also 8 records. Okay, moving to step number 6, that is open the Quinn Online query in design view. Quinn Online query in design view, and add a criteria to select only those records where the professor last name equals Quinn, last name equals Quinn, no, it's only Quinn. Yeah, and the delivery method fields value online. Where is the delivery method? This should be, and you can see there's and function, so you have to keep it on the same row, online. Open the Quinn Online query datasheet view and save it and close it. Datasheet view, you can see the last name is Quinn and the delivery method is online. That's it. I think that's it for this video. If you want me to do the next part of it, do text me on the WhatsApp, and if you want me to complete that assignment for you, do share your files over the WhatsApp or over the email. I will take care of that, and I will what you can say, complete that assignment for you and send it back to you. Then you can just submit it and get it graded. It's a very economical service in terms of price. Do text me if you need any sort of help. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.